what's up, y'all? This your boy Charlie from CR3 Home Services. Hey, I'm in another DIY video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change out the interior doorknob. Say for instance, you wanna change it out if it's broken, or you don't like the color of the doorknob, or you just want a doorknob that has a key to it. This is the right video for you to learn how to do that. And just tune in. I'm gonna show you step by step what to do and how to do it. All right, let's go, let's get it. All right, you guys, so these are the tools that you need to do the job right here. You need a Phillips head screwdriver, you need a flathead screwdriver, or you can use an impact drill to get the screws out faster, but you gotta be careful using the drill. You don't wanna script those screws. So you have 2 screws in here, one on each side. You have to unloosen both screws. This knob is gonna come off, and the back is gonna lean as well too. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's get it. All right, so now I'm gonna use my Phillips screwdriver to loosen the screws. All right. Y'all see it came out just like that. See, boom, get that out of there. All right, y'all, this is the other side of the doorknob right here. See everything loose. Just squeeze this, come right on out. Show you guys the next step. And that's how you take out the doorknob. Now I'm finna replace it with a new knob. Let's get it. Most of these right here is universal. So we ain't even gonna change this one out. We're gonna keep that same one in there and just replace the knob. All right, y'all. Y'all see where these 2 holes are right here? Boom, boom. And I got this other lock right here. You just line it up, push this in, and boom, it's in there now. So now I'm gonna show y'all the other side. You're gonna have to hold it a little bit in a way. I'm gonna show y'all the other side so I can get a look on the other side. Let's get it. All right, y'all. Y'all see that groove I was telling y'all about? How it go like a curve. If it didn't have that, cause a lot of them don't have that groove, you have to stick the screw inside of here and stick it in there directly. But in this case, you don't have to do that. You can stick the screw in here, hold the other side as well too. You know, you can get a couple turns on there. I'm gonna do this other side. Just like that. And I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna put that knob on there. Them screws gonna go in them grooves I was telling y'all about. And then that middle, gonna go in the middle part of the knob. Just like this. Boom. Over that. Y'all see this in there? Look at those sides, get that in there. And once you got that in there, push like that. Now you're ready to tighten up. Alright. Tighten this other side up first. Start on this side now. And make sure it's good and tight, y'all. Yep. That's sturdy. And that's tight. And you want to do one last thing. You want to make sure that it's open and closing properly. I'm show y'all. All right, y'all. I'm gonna close it. Make sure it's doing its job. Oh yeah, caught on that door plate. Twist to unlock. And I'm gonna close it. And I'm gonna lock. To check out the lock mechanism. It works properly. Alright, that's how you change out an interior doorknob. Y'all like, subscribe, comment on my YouTube channel for more DIYs. And y'all let me know what y'all think. If you have any suggestions, let me know. And I appreciate y'all tuning in. And I'm honored to teach you guys things like this. Alright, you guys, y'all be easy. I'm out.